Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Here comes the choo-choo train. Choo-choo train in the distance blowing its horn. Looking over Jordan, and what can I see? A band of angels coming down after me. If you get there before I do, tell 'em my trains are coming on through. If I get there before you do, I'm gonna tell them you're coming too. That was courtesy of Boxcar Willie. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. Holy, so I got my four-ways on right now. Wow. Wow. That just, I could not see 5 foot in front of me, and now it's back to normal. Woo! That's what God does to the Oregon coast. Okay, we can play some old-timey cowboy music. From like the cowboy, let's say the cowboys up in Wyoming in the early 1900s with some other cowboys, you know, out there in the fall with all the cows. Hey Frank, play something on that harp to calm those cows down. I'm just a poor cowboy on the range. Making $10 a month. I got a good horse, but I ain't got no woman. Sitting by this campfire after a hard day's work. I don't carry no 6-shooter on my side. I guess the cows like your playing, Frank. I hope a rattlesnake doesn't meet me in the middle of the night. I've been working all day, my boots are too tight. I lay out a blanket on the ground. I drink bad coffee. I'm a cowboy on the range. Okay, good night, boys. See you at sunup. Put that thing away. I'm trying to sleep. I feel sorry for these guys, the electric people. You know, they go out and fix the lines. The truck only does about 30 miles an hour up this hill. They're out looking for down power lines. I am a lineman for the county, and I do the county proud. Now I like the harmonica. I got a blues harp here. I got a blues band Horner International. Made in China, unfortunately. The only place you can get them. It's in the key of C. And the reason I like the harmonica, I mean, I've had one since I was about 20 years old. Used to be able to buy it for $6 back then. You could still get a real nice harmonica for $20 at a music store or at a pawn shop, but don't buy a used one unless you know what you're doing. Buy a brand new one in the box. They're only $20. Boy, look at this rain, and now it's windy. Did you see that person tailgating in this weather? Wow. Who would drive 70 miles an hour, half a car length behind someone in this weather? That's what that little white car back there was doing. I don't think people have much concept for how important life is. You know, how valuable your life is. And how it can be gone in the blink of an eye. Yeah. Not to get negative here, I'm just telling you. The best thing you can do in life is become a better driver and make sure your family's safe all the time. Look at that guy, what he just did to me. But he doesn't care, you see. He only cares about himself in his $80,000 truck, so. So that's the way the world's going today. You got to be very careful out there, kids. Very, very careful.